Do you think because you being in high ticket coach helps you to give you that confidence to close that many?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Why? There's a big difference between, I think, being my student, right, learning from me as a mentee versus being on a team. As a team member, Joe knows, right, I have very high expectations, right? This is the place where we grow. And I think you will be pleasantly surprised of how special the team actually is and where we're going, right? In all our lives, we have a few opportunities, probably no more than 3 in my mind. And some people take advantage of it, some people don't take advantage of it. Be able to do certain things that I don't think even in my lifetime that we will always have those opportunities. I think it's very, very rare, very rare. The way when I want to learn a subject, I like to go into immersion. My first question is who? Who am I going to learn from? That's always my question. Who has the knowledge? Who has got the results I want to learn from? Always who, not what. Who first, what second. Let's say if I'm going to learn about stock, if I want to learn, I'll pick Warren Buffett. Okay, then I'm going to go Warren Buffett crazy. Right? I want to watch all his interviews. I want to read the Berkshire Hathaway shareholders report. I want to read any books by him, about him, on him, because I need to get his thinking. That's how I do it. And I will do it until I feel like, okay, I got how he sees the world. And at least know what skill sets he has. Then if I want to, I can pick those skills. Example, Warren is very, very good with financial statements, reading financial statements. Okay, if that's something I want to pursue, then let me get all the books and everything I need to about financial statements. Let me get an accountant, let me talk to my CFO, sit down with me, explain, teach me on financial statements, if that's what I want to do. The problem is, most people learn something, they give up too soon before they get good. They jump to the next subject too soon before they have any depth on the subject that they're studying.
Because I see the value of what Alex is talking about. It's this is what I tell them, and people love this. I'm like, coaching sessions are very formulaic, and so it means that you come in, of course, HTC, brand new modules, you'll be talking about with them, but the coaches will take what you say and put it into a specific coaching curriculum that we have learned, and then they will give you the support you need. It's through a formulaic process. It's not talking to a closer. These are great closers, but you're actually talking to coaches who've been through a rigorous process and have a specific system to help you. Yeah. So I'm like, this is very systematic. Yeah. And it's I'm going through it right now. It's incredible.
So when you and I communicate, right, as the PM of this project, right, the champion for this project, I have the outcome I want. How that's being communicated to the team, you're the PM, the champion for this product, is making sure that's linked up with the outcome that I envision in the end, right? It's more of that. We weren't having these conversations before. You know this. We were much more reactive of what needs to be done versus what are we trying to create here? What's the intent behind this? The problem is, if it's only built on an ad, on a funnel, you have an ad that's working, ad library, I copy your click funnel, one click, I copy your funnel. There is no advantages in your content. I just download this. It's it's zero advantages. It's not sustainable anyway. This kind of stuff that is a lot harder. It's about the team, the culture, the system, the ascension and tracking. Oh my God, every single step is a pain to set up, which is good for the company because it's very difficult to duplicate. It's I could even teach you, I could show it to you, they will never be able to do it. That's bare of entry, right? It's like YouTube. Hey, we built a YouTube channel, you go do this, you go build your YouTube channel. You make 1,000 videos. I can't do this stuff, man. Forget it. I can tell you what to do, they won't do it. Maybe you're stuck right now in your business and it's not your fault. Chances are that I have been there and I have overcome those challenges that are preventing you from going to that next level. Let me give you the roadmap so you finally have the clarity that you need to grow your business. I'll give you the exact steps and systems that you need to move quickly. This is not for beginners, this is for serious business owners who want to level up. Follow the link to find out more about my 5-day SMART challenge.